Welcome to my first English language video. First of all, I would like to introduce myself and my channel to all my non-German speaking friends. On that note, I apologize for my bad English, but as everyone can see, I am still young and willing to learn and will improve in that regard as well. I have been running a very successful YouTube channel on all topics related to photovoltaics for some time, but my episodes are primarily about the brand Solax Power. In my German language videos, I show everything about the various connections of the components. I also show my community how to integrate non-branded components in a nutshell. I have specialized in solving all troubles that arise around the topic of Solax Power. I explain to my community the different types of grid disconnections in the event of a power failure and how to operate the system in pure isolated operation. You can buy all the components you need for an emergency power-capable photovoltaic system and the control of consumers with excess energy in my online shop. I will link the address to it below in the video description. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to get the inverter online after installing the components with the system-related Wi-Fi dongle that we connect to our inverter. In the course of this, I will explain how to add the inverter to your system in Solax Cloud so that you can see the performance data in the app Solax Cloud as well as in the web interface. As in my German videos, I have to say it also in English. As always, guys, watch this video to the very end. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the little bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Leave me a like or some word in the comment section. For all of you who are at the start for the first time, I am Alex, and now I would say, let's going on. What you are seeing here is my inverter with a Virgin Wi-Fi dongle. I have created an account for you under my private email address. You can also do the whole things via the mobile phone app, but I think it's more easy via the web interface and a PC or laptop or the desktop view with your smartphone. The first step is to open the website solaxcloud.com in a browser. After you have created an account, log in to the web interface with your access data. As a result, you will see this page and the arrow to the menu item that you have to choose next. Next, you have to create your system in the Solax Cloud. To do this, simply click on Add and this page will appear. Now you have to fill out this form. This is very easy. You define a system name. You enter the module peak power of your system here. You choose your country where the system is installed and the time zone and the exact address, and now enter the serial number of your Wi-Fi dongle here. It's written on it. This is that number. Here you can choose to allow me to monitor and maintain your system. I have permissions to view Solax components. And here you can save your entry. Now we are almost done. You can see that your system is created in the Solax Cloud. But now you have to do something else. In order for the dongle to be able to send all data from the inverter to the Solax Cloud, it must be connected to the internet. That means the dongle has to know the name of your home network, and you also have to tell it your Wi-Fi password. And to give him this information, you need to know that the dongle generates its own Wi-Fi hotspot. And the first thing you need to do is to connect to that hotspot. It's very easy. Just search for a new network on your smartphone and you will find one with the same name as the serial number of the dongle. And you connect to that Wi-Fi network. And then type the following in the address bar of a browser window: 192.168.10.10. And now you can see this window. Enter admin as username and the serial number of the dongle as the password. And now we're almost there. And now we see this window. We click here and then select our home network. And below that we enter our Wi-Fi password. We click Save, and from now on our inverter is online and sends its performance data to the Solax cloud every 5 minutes. And now if we click here, we see our performance data in the web interface and also in the app Solax Cloud. If you like this video, if you want me to publish all my German videos in the English language for you, please write it to me in the comment sections. I am happy about every like, every comment in the area below, and above all about a membership. I hope the video helps you to install the inverter, and we will see you again in the next video.